Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Welcome back. I'm going to be setting up my Sweet Quiet Design and Cricut Paper Co planner. And if you want to see a flip through of it just plain, then go ahead and check out the video linked here or down below. It's probably this way. I always do it backwards, but whatever. You may notice a new setup. I don't know if this video is going out first or my plan with me is going out first, but I have a new ring light. You can kind of see it in this part. So things should be a lot better. So I have a bunch of stickers here, some from Sweet Quiet Design. A bunch of them are from my shop and available now. So let's just get into it. So this first section, I forgot my pen. I think this one will work. I think this is a permanent pen. Ultrafine, yes. Because if you didn't know, with Sweet Quiet Designs vinyl, you have to use a permanent marker. And so I luckily had one in my little tray right here. So I have monthly, weekly, and then I'm going to use the goals one. But on this first one, I'm going to use this purple color. And I think I decided I was going to put it on after because I don't know how big I need to make it. And I'm going to, this is going to be like my year, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like the year in review, kind of. I don't know. And I think I'm using this right. I'm not totally sure. I think they're supposed to just go over the top. But the way these are set up, it's like there's 12 of them, and so you can have one for each month. And I think what I'm going to do is put like amazing things that happen, like kind of like a journal or the best of that month. So then we have the monthly tab. I'm not going to, just so you know, I'm not going to be decorating the dashboards today. I just have not figured out how I want to do it. You know me, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I struggled with that part of it when I was in a rings planner, and I totally messed that up. There we go. And then we have our weeklies, which are right here. So grab the yellow. She sells these, which is really nice, but the planner launch weekend, they came with the planner. And if you got the other color planner, then you got the tabs that covers that went with it. Okay, so then this section, so there's all my weeks. This section is going to be the goals. And then this last section, for right now, I feel like it's going to be more than this. But right now, it's going to be my prayer journal. I was going to have a separate prayer journal, but I decided to just put it in here. It had enough room, and I know that when I get too many planners, I go a little crazy. 2 is pretty much good enough for me. Okay. So I can write that stuff in later. Let's go back into the fun part, which is the decorating. Okay, so I have some, where are they? So these are, here we go. I have some months right here, and I'm just gonna put them down. These, like I said, are available in the shop. I'm just going to put them kind of overlapping the corner. I may decorate this more later, but I'm not 100% sure. This is kind of going to be a work in progress. And I think on this side, I'm going to mirror it and do it in this corner. there we go. I think that's just a cute little touch of color right there. Just so you know, I also have these available in gold, black, and silver. So the months are not, like, they don't have a tab on them because it's meant to be like you can use it whenever. So I made these tabs and I think they're pretty cool. You have like regular ones where it's on both sides, but because this is all just monthlies, you can't put like a January tab here because then on the other side would say January too also. So I made these ones where it says January on one side and February on the other. So this is gonna be the fun part, is trying to keep these nice and even. I made these really tiny and small, but I want them to jut out just a little bit, so I'm gonna line them up with this line and then fold at there, and voila, we have a tab. So I'm gonna go through and do the rest of them. Okay, so there you can see it. It looks so cute. So like you can see, it says July on both sides now, and instead of June and then June. So I think it'll be really cute. And then I have sticker kits coming from Sweet Pie Design. If you know of anyone that has really cute monthly kits, this is supposed to fit like the standard size monthly, so let me know. I also have tabs for the weekly view. I'm just going to, they have January or the month on both sides. I'm just gonna do them when the months show up because I think it'll just be easier. Maybe I'll go and put them in all later once I've like counted it out, but you get the gist of it. I don't think you want to be here for like an eternity watching me put little tabs on. So let's get into the really fun parts. So I have 3 goal things that I am putting in, and I have a reading challenge, a saving challenge, and a weight loss. So all of these are available in my shop, like I've said. I didn't make a banner for me for this one. This is a reading through the rainbow. So like, I'm gonna put it so that you can put the book. How many are there? 16. So can I do 8 down? We'll find out. We'll put the book. I want to put a title. Just need a little bit of room in between each one. It's nice having the dots because I can use them to, maybe I should do it from the bottom, but we don't know. It takes up 4. I think it'll fit. It's too late now. It just is what it is. I don't think I can pull these up. It's thicker paper, but it's not that thick. So just gonna put these down. So the whole idea of the Reading Through the Rainbow Challenge is you read a book that has that color, like the jacket or the cover art is that color, and then you write it down. So I may do some other challenges in here, some other goals, but right now this is what I have planned. Oh, I'm just gonna make it. I am just gonna make it. That is lucky, because I just winged it. Sometimes winging it works. I think that's so cute. And then I'm gonna do, what do you think? Like right here is about half. Gotta make sure we're the same down though, because that will look weird if I don't. So if my head gets in the shot, I'm sorry. Right about, again, I'm just gonna wing it. I think that's it. Yeah, that looks good. And then we go with this one. I have not been reading as much as I usually do. I literally am like one of the biggest bookworms, and the last like maybe 2 or 3 years, I've struggled to finish a book, which you're talking to someone that usually reads like 50 to 100 books a year. I mean, depends on the size of the book always, but if I'm reading a lot of books that are in the 500 to 600 page range, I probably don't read as many that year. But still, these are not lining up. I cannot see straight lines either, which does not help. But I have a couple of books coming and I'm really excited for them. Most people would probably not find them exciting, but I do. And yeah, that's just because, yeah. Anyways, they're nonfiction. They are history books, and one is about life as a tutor, like life during that time period, and one is about the War of the Roses. So if you didn't know, I have a degree in history and I have taught history, so I definitely love it, and it is one of my favorite things to read about, and I'm really excited to like get back into it, and I think having this in my planner is really going to do that for me. So the next one I'm going to have is on this side, and I'm going to do my rainy day fun. Now this one does have a nice big sticker, and I'm going to try to center it. It's hard to see what center is. A smart person would have gone in beforehand and marked the center of the pages, but I'm not that smart person. I'm gonna put it off to the side, like, no. I'm going to put this down for a second, back down, and I'm gonna put these down first because I want to put them on the side. So I have what each one of these little dollars equals. So we're going to put that one here. Then we're going to put the start of our, and then our goal. And now I'm going to put the big sticker down. And this jar is 3 by 5. So I couldn't put them in the center. So I was just editing this video and noticed that my phone had cut off, which is what I use to record these videos, after the 20-minute mark. Didn't know it, kept going. So I'm gonna walk you through. I'm sorry that you're not gonna see me laying the actual stickers down or my funny rapport that I was going and jokes I was doing, but you will have to survive with just seeing it as it is. So I laid down my rainy day fund and then my weight loss stickers. I kept talking about how many stickers sheets we had gone through and how satisfying it was. So after this section, I made my prayer section, which I just put one of these gray monthly stickers down, one on each page. There's 15 pages, 12 months, easy. You missed me skipping June and then pulling them up one at a time going, please don't tear, please don't tear, please don't tear. So yeah, did miss a whole bunch, but you did miss. So that is my setup. I'm just gonna show you the book one because it kind of got cut off in the square. I need to like put some washi so I can see where my square is. New planner, new setup, still learning. Sorry. I have planned a week in here, which so go check that out next week. But I'm really loving it. It's just super cute and I am just dying over its cuteness. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what your word of the year is, and if you got this Sweet Kawaii Design Cricut Paper Co. Planner. If you did, let me know which kind, what cover, all that good stuff. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!